Wipe front windshield with lint-free cloth. Tear off the static sticker. Press the electrostatic sticker to the front windshield and squeeze out the air bubbles. Peel off the lens and adhesive tape protective film. Attach the machine to electrostatic sticker. Take out the car charger power cable. Reserve a section of wire. Hide the cable in the gap between the roof and the windshield. Hide the cable in the A-pillar. Keep hiding the cable. Take out the complementary wire clip. Stick to the top of the front passenger's footrest. Fix the cable with wire clips. Plug the car charger into the vehicle's cigarette lighter. Plug the power cord into the Type-C port of the dashcam. Energize the dashcam. Take out the rear camera cable. Repeat the previous steps. Around the B-pillar between the front and rear windows. Hide the cable in the gap of the rear window. Hiding the cable in the gap between the C-pillar and the rear windshield. Using the supplied screwdriver, install the rear camera bracket. Tighten all screws. Stick the adhesive tape to the bracket. Tape the rear camera to the rear windshield. Plug the reserved wires into the C/H1 port.